When you're new to trading, there are so many unanswered questions. Even in today's world, when we can access information almost instantly, it has become difficult to find the correct answers. So many answers available on the internet, you must be overwhelmed with contradicting information. That's because people have a different opinions, style of trading, and that combined with so many sleazy marketers trying to sell their stuff, they will tell you anything you want to hear. Hit the like and subscribe. This really helps me to produce a better content for you guys. Now, let's jump into the 4 common questions new Forex traders ask. Question number 1 is, am I not doing enough? Trading goes against everything that we have learned in life since the early age. You've been told that being wrong is bad. Don't make mistakes. You have to work hard to get ahead in life, and the list goes on. However, when it comes to trading, these don't apply. We were taught that if we want to accomplish something or make more money, we have to put hours and work hard. In trading, however, more is not always better. By trading more, you might be sabotaging your success. Just because you're trading 12 hours a day does not mean you're going to make more money. Market conditions change, and there are times that the strategy you're using is not right for that market condition. So the best thing you can do is to just be patient. I understand that you are feeling that you're not doing much, because I was feeling exactly the same way 3.5 years ago. I would advise, instead of constantly checking on your screens when you're feeling you're not doing enough, read a book about trading or backtest this strategy. Anything that will contribute towards your trading success. Question number 2 is, am I putting too many trades or not enough? This is a very common question new traders ask. What is the right number of trades in a week or a month you should be taking? Well, that depends what type of trader are you. If you're a scalp trader, the number of trades you will be taking are much higher than compared to someone who is a swing trader. To find out which category you belong, first let's have a look at which time frames are you using to trade. If you're using 2, 5 or 15-minute time frames, that means you are a scalp trader. If you're using weekly or monthly time frames, that means you're a swing trader. Taking 25 trades in a week, if you're a swing trader, that's a clear sign that you are over trading. And taking 2 trades a week, if you're a scalp trader, that means you are not taking enough trades. To know exactly how many trades you have taken, you have to record every trade. You cannot just go with your gut feeling. You must keep track all of your trades. This way you can measure if the number is too high or too low. Remember, what gets measured gets accomplished. On average, how many trades do you take per week? Let me know in the comment section. And this brings me to question number 3. Are my expectations realistic when it comes to money? Expectations. We all have it, and when those expectations are not met, we feel disappointed. One of the reasons so many traders give up so soon is because the lack of patience and unrealistic expectations. Don't expect to make $5,000 a month every month when you've been trading only a week and your starting balance is only $100. Nothing wrong with being ambitious, but you have to be realistic. The reason why traders have these unrealistic expectations because there are too many marketers and fake trading gurus promising you wealth if you buy their secret strategy. If you want to know how much you can earn trading Forex, there's gonna be video link up top and also in the description. And lastly, question number 4. My progress is too slow. Is that normal? Remember that slow progress is better than no progress. We want so badly our results to be instantaneous that we buy into any small lies that someone tells us because we want to get there soon. It takes years to develop as a trader, and slow progress is not unusual. Think of it this way: if you learn a profession, on average it will take you 4 years to complete studying it full time. Trading is no exception. It's slow and painful process. There are gonna be times that you want to throw a towel and completely forget about trading. However, if you persevere, the reward's gonna be tremendous. Try to be a little bit better every day. record every trade and measure your results in every 50 trades. Don't start looking for a new strategy after 3 losses. And remember, be patient. Let me know in the comment section below if you can relate any of them or you want to add anything on the list. Thank you guys for watching. This was the 4 common questions new Forex traders ask. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe. I'm making live daily Forex analysis Monday to Friday, 8 AM UK time, as well as weekly Forex analysis and videos about the knowledge you need to be a better trader. I will see you guys tomorrow at 8 AM UK time on my live daily Forex analysis.